Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll complete the series of my 10 stocks to look for that may surge 50, 100, maybe even 200%, focusing on the biopharmaceutical companies. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision, and this is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now we're going to talk about the last two stocks and the bonus stock at the end, so you don't want to miss out. Let's get on with this video. In this video series, I will try to present 10 small companies. Their stock price will surge the next days or the next weeks. This surge will be significant, at least 50, if not 100 or even 200%. Because after the Wall Street bet movement, the retail investors, as well as some small institutional investors, have moved part of their money to invest in some small pharmaceutical companies, especially those with a small market cap, like less than $1 billion. Those small pharmaceutical companies, their vision and mission are stated in this slide. This sudden inflow of capital into those small companies, as well as hot discussions in the social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit, have all made those stocks extremely hot recently, and we don't want to miss this historical opportunity like here Tesla started taking off a few years ago. The first stock I'd like to present is Bionano Genomics. Ticker symbol BNGO. It is down negative 3.56 today at $11.38. Bionano Genomics operates as a life sciences instrumentation company in the genome analysis space. The company develops and markets the Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostic and therapeutic targets, and to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes, which is known as cytogenetics. Its Saphyr system includes an instrument, chip consumable, reagent, and a suite of data analysis tools. BNGO's core product is its Saphyr optical genome mapping instrument. The Saphyr system is really a state-of-the-art instrument which can be an excellent tool for researchers in pharmaceutical companies. This instrument provides quick and enhanced genome mapping and is very user-friendly. Some more pictures here. The instrument is praised by the users, the researchers, because its preparation procedure is simple, and the turnaround is short, and the results are reliable. The main holders of BNGO include the Vanguard Group, Bank Julius, Geode, Perkins, and also UBS Securities is also on that top holdings list. All big names. This gives us good confidence that this stock will not drop too much if it drops. I also noticed that the well-known asset management firm BlackRock recently added 30,000 shares of BNGO. Although not a large amount of shares, BlackRock added its holding of BNGO definitely gives us a strong signal about the company, because these hedge fund companies usually know a lot of things that we don't know. BNGO's earnings report on November 13, 2020 was not very good, missing by 10 cents per share on EPS. Next earnings report will be March 9th, 2021. I don't expect good results due to the pandemic. Therefore, the share price will eventually come down before or around March 9th. BNGO has been up significantly recently, about 130% during the last month. Analysts at TipRanks give different estimates, some very bullish, some very bearish. I believe that after or around its quarterly earnings report on March 9th, its share price will eventually come down a bit, say around $10. That would be a good opportunity to enter. Its state-of-the-art equipment Saphyr has bright future, and after the pandemic, its marketing will resume to tell the stories. The company will attend more conferences to promote and market this magnificent equipment, and its sales will then pick up. This leads to my next stock, SENS Holding, ticker symbol SENS. Today it was down negative 2.05%. Share price is $3.82. SENS Holding is a medical technology company developing and commercializing continuous glucose monitoring, also known as CGM systems for people with diabetes. Its products include SYNs, which are implantable CGM systems to measure glucose levels in people with diabetes for a period of up to 90 and 180 days. As shown in their website, it is the world's only long-term CGM system with the SYN 90-day CGM system. You can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. A couple days ago, SENS submitted a PMA application for the 180-day indication, which is a step forward to get FDA approval. SENS' main product is its continuous glucose monitoring system. They have already contracted the commercialization and sales with Essentia. It means they are confident that FDA approval will be just a matter of time. Senseonics won CE mark approval in the European Union for its SYN system. That's a great news because it puts pressure on FDA to accelerate the approval. The approval by FDA for SEN's main product SYN is highly probable because it received all of the 8 votes. Once its core product SYN gets FDA approval, which usually takes up to 180 days, the marketing company Essentia will start immediately the commercialization and marketing process, which will definitely boost the stock share price. The large, well-financed company PHC Holdings Corp. Added 68 million shares of the stock SENS, which is a good sign for the company for its share price to be stable at least. The FDA approval process of its main product SYN glucose monitor has been delayed due to the pandemic. This has negatively affected its share price, and this explains a bit the stock price. SENS lagged behind a bit as compared to other hot small cap biopharmaceutical companies. Different analysts give strong buy or buy signals because of the hot discussion on small pharmaceutical companies and different platforms of social media. SENS will stay hot for a while, then maybe that will be it. Therefore, I would recommend riding the wagon for a while, catch the opportunity, and eventually get off within a short period of time. Although I was planning to present 10 stocks in this series, I just found out this symbol SYN, Synthetic Biologic. I found that it is very interesting, therefore I'm going to include it as a bonus stock. SYN is currently down 7.27% today, trading at $1.02. Synthetic Biologic is a clinical stage company developing therapeutics to treat gastro diseases. Its lead product candidates include the SYN004 that has completed phase 2 clinical trial, designed to degrade commonly used intravenous beta-lactam antibiotics and gastro tract for the prevention. The company is also developing SYN010 that is in phase 2B/3 clinical trial. Synthetic Biologic has collaboration with Intrexon Corporation, the University of Texas at Austin, and Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, and a clinical trial agreement with Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis to conduct a phase 1B/2A clinical trial of SYN004. I believe that this stock, SYN, within the next few days has a great potential to break out, reach $3 or maybe even $4 from the current share price of around $1. That's it for this series. There are my final 2 and a bonus stock for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.